Welcome. My name is Rob Miller, and today I'm sitting down with Ian Warner, Product Application Specialist with Trimble. Ian, thanks for joining me today.
Thanks for having me, Rob.
So I want to take a few minutes and talk a little bit about Trimble's construction layout solutions and how they continue to be setting the standard in layout. When it comes to functionality that the individuals have access to on the tablet for doing layout or data collection, or even the workflows for moving data from the office out to the field, it's important that the individuals in the field have accurate, timely information, and Trimble Field Link really helps with that, doesn't it?
It does. So Trimble Field Link is a really easy to use format for layout professionals in the field. They can go in and they can update drawings really quickly. Now with the integration of Trimble Connect, we can actually utilize the cloud to get drawings or models or any updated information automatically as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection. We also have some automated sync features, so you can upload documents in the evening or whenever you hit Wi-Fi connections and automatically get any updates or whatever else you need there. It also has some features where you're able to auto-archive any of your old previous files so you don't lose any data, or if you have any catastrophic events on the job site, you end up not losing that file or your as-built data.
That's great. So take a quick minute here and kind of tell us how Trimble Field Link has evolved just in the last couple of years.
Sure. So Trimble was the first to actually take 3D models out to the field about 5-6 years ago or so. And since then we've developed a bunch of new features and layout applications so that we've increased the capabilities within Trimble Field Link tremendously in the last few years.
So Ian, what are some of the key benefits that you want contractors to realize about Trimble Field Link?
Sure. So now with some of the latest versions, we're able to not only lay out with the rapid positioning system, but also incorporate the robotic total station or GNSS layout services with the same controller and the same software in a really easy to use interface for layout professionals. We also have a bunch of file imports that we can take in, so we're now able to take in DWGs, DXFs, some SketchUp models and so forth, and utilize those directly for layout services. We're also able to lay out points and lay out directly from line work now, so that's a huge benefit to be able to lay out a lot quicker without having to create points at each end point and beginning point of those lines. So we can also manually create models within the controller software itself, so you can draw lines, create angles and arcs and so forth, whatever you need to actually get your job done out on the job site.
Now, with Trimble Field Link, there's actually a bit of a new approach, and that is you have an office version of this as well that mimics exactly what the guys in the field are using. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, so we have a lot of professionals that like to create their data in the office and then take that out into the field. We also have some other clients that like to have a office workflow where they'll have folks in the BIM department create models, create backgrounds, double check the points and so forth before they actually send that information out to the field. So now with Trimble Field Link Office, we're able to run on almost any Windows device, and they can check all that information before it goes out to the field.
Okay, so I can create data in Trimble Field Link Office, but I also can use Trimble Field Points and also Tekla and SketchUp, is that right?
Correct. So we have Trimble Field Points for AutoCAD and Revit, as well as Trimble Field Points for SketchUp. And then Trimble Tekla will actually kick out a TFL file as well that you can utilize directly in the controller.
Okay, great. So let's take a minute and focus on just this latest release, version 3.6. Tell us some of the key features that are in this new release.
Sure. So with Trimble Field Link, it was 2D here recently, and now with the latest release, we have the advanced module where we're able to actually incorporate 3D models into that new user interface as well. We also have daily layout summaries that we're able to incorporate into the reporting features. Vision, so now we're able to overlay points on the view that you can see through the rapid positioning system or the robotic total station and see where those points actually lay in this augmented reality type view. We also are able to incorporate the residuals from your setups, give us a little more information there when you're doing your setups, and you can make sure that everything's dialed in correctly.
Okay, great. Now, for contractors that might already have a Trimble robotic toll station and are either using Trimble Field Link for structures or even Trimble LM80 Layout Manager, if they're interested in this new version, what should they do?
Well, they should go and contact their local Trimble BuildingPoint distributor and see what they can do for a demo or a rental or so forth, and test it out, see if they like it, and get into the program.
So, Ian, it's been great having you here. I really appreciate you taking the time to join us today.
Appreciate it. Thank you, Rob.
If you would like to learn more about Trimble Field Link, or you would like to schedule an on-site demo, contact your local BuildingPoint representative. And be sure to connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. On behalf of everyone here at BuildingPoint, thanks for watching.